Let's make Kunafa mini chocolate. Surveyor. Cut the vermicelli into small pieces with the help of hands. Butter. Add vermicelli. Cook in medium flame. Cool down. Take a blend and add vermicelli. Add pistachio. White chocolate. Room temperature milk. Blend all ingredients. Blend mixture, add in bowl. Take a silicone mold. White chocolate. Add the green color to the white chocolate. First layer of melted chocolate. Take a plate. Remove the excess chocolate. Clean the mold. Keep in the fridge for 10 minutes. 10 minutes later, add pistachios mixture one by one. Add melted chocolate on the last layer. Keep it in the fridge for 10 minutes to set the chocolate. 10 minutes later, demold the chocolate one by one. Cut the excess chocolate. Assembling.